My name is Sean Reardon, and this is for PN4036, dihedral angle. So I made this resource in SolidWorks to show the dihedral angle between two surfaces. So the blue surface here being surface A, and the red surface here being surface B, and the green surface here being the horizontal plane. So what is a dihedral angle? Dihedral angle is the angle between two surfaces. So in our case, the blue and red surface. I'm going to try to find the dihedral angle between these two. And what you need to know about the dihedral angle to get it is the common line. So this is the common line between the two surfaces, the black emphasized one here. So first step you must do is you must go to your plan or elevation, but in this case we go to our plan to get it. So you must look perpendicular to this common line to get a parallel auxiliary view. So your x1, y1 will be parallel to your common line. So it will be like this. Once you get this view, so I emphasize lines here so that this is where the red plane is in the background, plane A. So you have this common line, you're looking perpendicular at it. So what does this tell you? It tells you that this is a true length and a true angle. So this is your true angle of which it's resting upon on the horizontal plane, and this is the true length of the line. So you're trying to find the angle between the two surfaces. So you must look down this way, perpendicular on this line to get a point view of it, so that these lines, these surfaces, become lines. So this is how it'll look. So you have the line as a point, and surface A here being a line, and surface B here being a line. And they become a line because looking down your common line that you found as the true angle and the true length. And there you have it. That is your dihedral angle. You might still be asking yourself, how is this a dihedral angle? I don't fully understand what I'm looking at. So we must kind of backtrack a bit. So what you're doing here is you're looking down this line, and you're putting an imaginary plane here. So I will make this visible. So you're making this pink plane here, or any point. This is just the location I chose. So no matter where you put it along the surface, and it's perpendicular to your line, it'll be fine. So I will show you here that this line is perpendicular to your try to get a view of it there. So you can see that this line is perpendicular to your common line. So that's how you're cutting into it, imaginary cutting into it. So this line rests on that pink plane, and that is your dihedral angle there. So it's a perpendicular angle between the two surfaces. So you must find the true length of this line and then look down it as a point, like so, to get that pink surface. But in your case, all you need to do is mark out that between this surface and this surface is your dihedral angle. That's all.